first I invite all of you guys, put your feet flat on the floor. Okay, connect to the surface you're sitting on. Feel your feet connected to the floor, and then kind of imagine the floor is extended all the way down to the center of the earth. A lot of people send like roots from their feet, and they wrap them around the earth, and they kind of anchor themselves, right, into their body and into their connection with the planet. And so the note of this instrument is the F. There's many notes, but predominantly the F, which is aligned with the heart chakra. I'm playing that because, I don't know, so many of us need healing in our hearts, and it's the note. I have two of them. One is the C, one is the F. The one that I like to play the most for healing. So imagine your feet growing these roots down, and you are pulling up molten lava, hot molten lava from the center of the earth, this energy, this red color all the way up your roots into your feet, into your ankles, into your calves, and right up into your like pelvic floor. You know, imagine like where your hips are. That's your root chakra. It's our skeletal system. It's our spine. It's all the bones in our body that give us the structure for our body. And in this energetic center is really about safety. It's really about feeling safe, you know, in your body, that you're got enough food, you have enough water, you're not in survival mode, you're not under attack. And it's also about feeling connected to the earth, which grounding, we talk about grounding, connecting to the planet, and having a relationship with the planet that we live on, who is always nurturing us, who is always loving us, who is always supporting us. Mother Earth, Gaia Goddess, Pachamama, whatever you want, whatever name you choose to use. So on this particular chakra, I want you to imagine the color red. See it in your mind's eye. Really envision it. And allow it to beam down, like where your pubic bone is, where your genitals are, your hips. And I'm just going to give you one affirmation here. I am safe in my body. It is safe to be in a body. So many of us really disassociate from our own bodies. Some of us only identify as our bodies. But in a time that there's war, in a time of uncertainty, in a time of great change, we can feel very destabilized. It is safe to be in a body on this planet at this time. And trying to come out of the worry and the fear and the nonstop watching the news. Connect more and more to the essence of your being and to beautiful earth. Time spent in nature is a great antidote. And now moving up 2 inches below our belly button, our sacral chakra. This is a place of our intuition and creativity. As women, we create life here, but we create more than that on the etheric realm. If you have an idea for a musical or a book, you have an idea for a business. Gaia Goddess was birthed through my womb portal. I mean, it just wasn't life. I actually birthed my business. And we all humans have this ability to create. And this is the creative center, intuitive center, and also trusting your intuition, knowing that you have this internal compass that's guiding you is very empowering. And also trust is associated with the sacral chakra. So the more we lean into trusting ourselves, trusting our intuition, and amplifying our creative expression. When this center is blocked, I won't talk about why it becomes blocked. We may not feel expressive, in our creativity. We may feel like creative blocks. If we're a writer, we're probably experiencing a writer's block. So that is one of the reasons why you want to keep working on keeping this center open. And this is also about being in balance between giving and receiving. So we don't want to overgive, we don't want to over-receive. We want to give from our hearts in a place that makes us feel good. We also want to feel good when we can ask for help and know that we're not doing it alone, that life is an exchange, and we're always in exchange with each other and the planet. So a great affirmation for this center while you're still envisioning this color orange is, I am in perfect balance. I give and receive in equal measure. I am a creative being. I am an intuitive being. I trust. My intuition is always speaking to me. And now moving up to your solar plexus, that on your rib cage, just below your heart. It's a sunny color yellow. You might even see a beautiful sunny day. The sun is shining down, a beam of strong yellow just beaming down onto your heart. Your solar plexus, your rib cage. And this center is really about ego identity and confidence. But the thing I think the most about, really the most powerful aspect of this that many of us don't know, is that we are always creating our reality. It is not fate, it is not victimization, it is not chance, but we are the creators of a reality, and we are powerful beyond measure. We are so powerful because we are an aspect of the divine that's come in a body to have a human experience. So how could you be anything less than powerful if you're from all that is, right? Pure consciousness, pure love. And I like to just maybe sing out an affirmation. I am powerful. I am powerful. And feel your power, and not in an abusive way. I am. Love is powerful. We think sometimes power is manipulation and greed and control. No, I'm talking about powerful love and light, high vibration and creation, knowing consciously that you're creating. That is pure power. And you want to be all of that. And sometimes we limit our power out of fear. So be willing to show up as the power that you are, express in the world as the power that you are. Yeah, don't be afraid to be powerful. Yes, people might be threatened by you, but in the end, just send them love. Have compassion and send them love. They're going through their own journey. Moving up to our heart chakra. Oftentimes what serves as a block is a loss, is grief, is sadness, is not feeling love, is not feeling loved, is feeling lonely, depression. So I want each and every one of you to know the truth of your being is that you came from love and you are love. That's what you are. And again, as an aspect of the creator, how could you be anything less than love and worthy of receiving love? So see this beautiful green, strobe-like green, the color of, Mother Earth, the leaves, the trees, it's green. See that color green shining in on your heart, lining your heart with the vibration of love. It's safe to be open-hearted. Yes, you might have experienced heartbreak. But guess what? If you defend against it for the rest of your life, you'll never have true love. If you heal what caused you to experience the heartbreak, the lesson, you actually can have unconditional love that you are worthy of. When you know yourself as worthy, you attract love at that level. Unconditional love. You are unconditional love. I am love. I am love. I am. Really receive this into your beautiful hearts. I am love. I am love. And you are also loved. As a beloved child of the universe, you have always been loved, and you will always be loved. That is the truth of your being. I am love. And by the way, you can give yourself love. You can touch yourself, hug yourself, and tell you how much you love you. You can go to your inner child in meditation and give her a love. You can heal the aspects of a shadow with the love that you are. You have an infinite capacity to give and receive love. So never, ever, ever be afraid of giving away love to a stranger who's in need of it. All the way up to maybe the person that you're in love with. Everybody deserves love. We're going to move up to our throat chakra. See a beautiful turquoise light coming down, shining. And the truth of this expression is, I am a powerful creator. See that turquoise light? I am a powerful creator, and my words are powerful. Didn't you know that your words create? You want to be mindful how you use them. No negative self-talk. Only positive. I am learning. I am growing. I'm really proud of myself. And speak your truth and speak from your heart, even if you're a little vulnerable. When you speak from your heart and your vulnerability, oh my God, people just stop dead in their tracks. They listen because it affects them on an energetic heart level. You're not pretending to know it all. You're just being so real, open, vulnerable. That feels so good. I express my truth. It is safe to speak my truth. I use my words consciously. And now we move up to our third eye between our eyebrows, the color indigo. Beam it down right between your eyebrows. This is your psychic sight, but this is also your vision. But this is also clarity of consciousness. Having clear vision doesn't mean just to see through your eyes, but understanding with clarity where your life is taking you, what struggles you've had in life, how you are using them, how you are using the pain and the trauma as opportunities for growth. In my case, it's part of what fuels my business. I wouldn't be here without it. Asking for clarity. I see clearly through the eyes of the divine. I see clearly. There's a great affirmation on this energetic center. And last but not least, we're going to go up to the tippity top of our heads. It's like a black and white cookie. Half of it is purple, half of it is white. But for this purpose, imagine this column of white light shining down from heaven all the way into the top of your head, all the way through your body, connecting you to the center of the earth. You are always connected to the spirit realm, to the etheric realm, through this column of light. When you pray, when you meditate, when you're in stillness, when you're in your beingness, you are in this energetic center. I am one with all. And a wonderful affirmation to sing is just simply, I am. I have come at this time on this planet. I am here as a valuable aspect of the divine in expression. Each one of us is an aspect of the divine in expression. An expression of love, an expression of light. Whatever you choose, you have free will. And now, as the strumming finishes, I want each one of you in your mind's eye to imagine a being, an angel, your guide, a friend, whoever you want to imagine. Maybe has a dustpan and a broom or a Dyson vacuum. Those are nifty. Imagine it's sweeping your whole body. Everything you release today, you don't want that hanging out in your auric field anymore and getting reabsorbed. So allow it to be swept up, sucked up, make it love, and let whoever has come on your behalf take care of it. We make it love first. Send it lovingly. It's not garbage, it's not dirty. It just no longer serves you. So you might want to see that complete. Make sure you get every little piece of it. And then take a deep breath in. Come back into your body. You might have nodded off to sleep. That happens with Reiki. You might be super duper relaxed. Part of you might have even left your body and gone to play somewhere else. Call all parts of you back into this beautiful body of yours. Maybe put your arms around yourself. Give yourself a little hug. Thank yourself. Thank yourself for coming. Thank yourself for receiving. Part of your soul brought you here. You're not here by chance.